Right then, welcome to day 3. The reason why we're giving the videos a day number is because we're doing that many. And when we upload them, we're going to try and do it in order this time. This is definitely for my Only in Thailand series. And my Only in Thailand series is not to be taken literally. But this is a factual Only in Thailand series because this is the dawn chorus in the village. It's 5:30 in the morning. You don't get a chance to be jet lagged when we come to Thailand. And today we're off to Cowboy Village. That's why we're up at 5:30 in the morning. Very, very soon this will be a wash with people going to work. I'm awake but not 100% fully awake. People going to work. Endless people driving up and down with trucks, vans, motorbikes, selling produce, tools. And I'll try and catch as much of that as I can. But this is, it needs to go up instead of down. But the dawn chorus is even better. Earlier on, you can't do no video. So, this isn't a probably, this is a definitely Only in Thailand series. I really do like, oh, going the wrong way again. This smooth cue where the gimbals are available is pretty damn good. Can you say damn on YouTube? I just did. Dogs, just doing what dogs are supposed to do. Did someone go to work? Nope, it's the monks. The monks go around first thing of the morning, so they're just getting ready. Belle is actually oop. Bella is actually oop. I'm not awake yet. Belle is actually up, cooking sticky rice for the monks at the minute. That's where you can't appreciate. I mean, I've got the camera set to maximum light, so you really can't appreciate how gorgeous the sky is, because it's more gorgeous here than it is there. And Phupan Mountain is not visible. This is the most wonderful time. Sorry for talking while I'm yawning, but would you real life YouTube me? This is the most wonderful time of the day. Oh, by the way, long way, come on, wake up. What the products are available? I don't know what it's selling, but it's probably selling something. This is the very, excuse me, at the moment, this is the end of the village. While I'm here, obviously you've just seen me walk down there. As a rule, when we walk around the village of a night, we carry a stick. And the reason why we carry a stick is we are not burglars. But the dogs don't know we're not burglars. So the dogs do what the dogs are supposed to do. Now, now if Why did I thank him? Because he didn't run me over. Now if you try and go enter some of the properties, believe you me, you need more than a stick with some of these dogs. So this is probably the Thailand that really exists, but not many people put on YouTube. Yeah. Can't remember what I was up to before, and nearly got, well, I didn't nearly get them over. Yeah, I'm walking round. We are, oh yeah, we're at the end of the village. Or at the end of the village for now. Sorry about barking dogs, but they do know how to anyway. So let me just, there'll be a little bit of useful information if you stick with me. So this is the end of the village. You seen Yaisam, yeah? There's Yaisam's house. We'll do a Yaisam's house video if Yaisam gives us the okay, which I think she already has. There's the temple. If I recall rightly, which right at the moment I'm not recalling much, I think I've done a video where they were building that wall. Well, it's nearly built. Right. This is the end of the village as we stand at the moment. Yaisam's house. Let me just explain the situation. There's where our electricity comes from. Well, it doesn't actually come from the other pole. But this is Yaisam's. And this is the entrance to the start of our property. So where Yaisam's house finishes, which is obviously where the wall is, so there's where everyone's, Yaisam's house and everyone else's house finishes. Let me just explain a little bit more up to track. Can't zoom on my finger. Mango tree, there. Zoom. Everything will probably go pear-shaped now. Wrong one, told you. Told you, didn't I? Right, okay. So, mango tree. Oh, obviously when you're on the smooth queue, where the gimbals are available, when you don't full zoom, your movements are obviously more dramatic. Mango tree. Yeah. Now the mango tree is the start. Excuse me. The mango tree is the start of the catfish pond. So obviously after the catfish pond, after the mango tree is the catfish pond. Yep. Are you keeping track? If you are, can you leave a comment in the comment section so I know what I'm going on about? So yes, after the mango tree is the catfish pond. Where the catfish pond finishes is the end of Bell's property. So everything from this wall of that side is the missus's. Sanchan is responsible for. Unfortunately, we did want to do a video of the sugarcane being harvested. You get 2 rounds after you've planted. So you obviously get round 1, which is harvested, and then you get round 2. So this is round 2, starting to grow. As I say, Sanchan's the brains, Joe's the brawn. So that's basically, I mean, I can tell you thousands of things now, but I need to go back. Yeah, oh yeah. God, no, keep track. So, the village has a boss. Now, this village has grown and merged with the other village, but it's classed as one village, so this village has 2 bosses, if that makes sense. So we had a meeting yesterday morning, because obviously, because there's now going a road where you can see we're getting a gravel road first, not like English gravel, and then eventually we'll be getting a concrete road with streetlights. But because this is part of the village, but it's farmland, when we build property, it's part of the village, but it's got houses, then it gets a name. Yeah, you keeping track? So we had a meeting with the town chiefs, because you cannot do anything in the village without the okay from the town chiefs. You can't cut a tree down. You can't cut a tree down anyway, but if you need to do anything, Sanchan needed to cut a tree down because it was, when the wind was blowing, it was banging the electric cable. But before he could cut it down, he had to get permission. Well, you have to get permission anyway, because if you cut certain trees down in Thailand, you go into jail. I think it's teak. Have I gone off track? So, yeah, you can't do anything in the village without permission from the chief. So, things in the village are named in blocks. I'll explain better on another video. So this new block needs a new name, and you'll see, obviously, that I'm telling the truth, because eventually, once it's all done, the road is in, it's postcoded or zip coded or whatever they call the codes in Thailand. From where I am now to past the mango trees and any other little side concrete roads that come off it, is, guess what? It's been named. And you probably don't believe me, but as I say, you'll see for sure what it's going to be called, and I'll wait till the motorbike goes past. Got a cab. As you can see, they're starting to get busy. Yes, so the name is, I know you're not going to believe this, but it's actually being called, from a request by me, with the okay of the bosses, it's actually being called Penny Lane. Yeah, Penny Lane. So everything that runs down there and off there is going to be called Penny Lane. Don't know why, but that's just what they've called it. No. So how cool's that? Only in Thailand? Penny Lane? Probably not actually. Well, probably the only Penny Lane in Thailand. But life doesn't get any better than this. This is, well, it's not actually, it's not True Life Thailand, it's True Life, Our Life Thailand, or Isan. Hello, we did. Have you ordered again? Oh God, I forgot to show you what was going on. Okay, let me just try and explain on the neighbours. So imagine we're outside Isam's house now. Don't make me walk back. Right. So basically, this is definitely only in Thailand. That's how you meet it. Yeah. I don't want to get too close because some of them wires look like they need to be plugged in, but that's definitely only in Thailand. There's your meter. That's how to read your meter. This is on the lamppost outside. That's why I think, and then it goes, blue cables are going to the house maybe. That's why. I think that's why you can't have electricity until you've built something, because you've got to put poles in. I mean, it's not law you can't have electricity until you've built something, because obviously we have, but we're taking it from the Isams, but we haven't had to get planning permission. Good thing, bad thing, plan permission. Well, let's just say I'm happy. I'm happier in Thailand with the planning arrangements because it suits me better. Not that I'm knocking the UK's planning arrangements. The Thailand planning arrangements suits me much better. And now we're walking back. As you can see, camera's working. I love their hedge. So now I get shouted at because my coffee will be cold. Or shouted at because I haven't told anyone where I've gone. Like I'm a kid. Well, I'm 32 years of age. Ish. I'm allowed to go wherever I want to go. If I get permission. When we're a little bit more downtown, we'll probably do a little walk because it's quite a big village. As I say, it's two connected together. We'll do a bit of a walk. Excuse me, give you the goss on the neighbours, eh? I noticed on one of my gardening videos that I said I was going to do a video. That's about on the land for sale. It's actually been sold, but I don't know much for. So I'll try my hardest to remember. Oh yeah, and I said I was going to do a video on the wall, and basically I'll do a video on the wall now while I remember. Right. Video on the wall. Very attractive. You know, as walls go, garden walls go. I've seen a lot worse in the UK, I'll give you that. But my issue with the wall is when they've rendered the wall, the angle bead, why they've used metal and obviously not galvanised metal on the angle bead, I have no idea. It doesn't rain, what can I say, it doesn't rain much. It rains a lot in Thailand, but not often. See, you can see it's really starting to. But why? Why put all that effort and obviously money into a wall, render it with angle bead that goes rusty? Because obviously the angle bead is going to rust that much that the render's going to fall off. Shame. Real shame. But really, excuse me for yawning, now I've pressed it the wrong way again. But really attractive wall. So I did actually do the wall video. This is how we're metered. The village got a new water tower, and when they put the new water tower in, I'm not sure, I think it goes through a filtration system, but it was insisted that everyone has new meters. The whole village, every house. Sanchan actually did quite a lot of the swapping the meters over, and a lot of the old years he actually swapped the meters over for free. Yeah, so everyone had to get a new meter because he wanted to start at 0. And this is our build, and so far we've used hang on, no, got it. Yeah, no I haven't. It is the right way around. 6. And I think it's been in a month, because everyone's always round at Tiang Nang Noi. So everyone's bill now starts from, or started, sorry, everyone's bill started from 0. This is how we actually got home on land day. It wasn't day 1. We did have a spare wheel for the pickup truck, but Thailand being Thailand, and I've done it myself. Pickup truck got a flat, spare wheel got put on, pickup truck didn't get spare wheel puncture fixed. Yeah, if you're keeping up with me here. Are you even still watching? If you are, thank you very much. So basically that's how we got on. Super. Had to take the wheel off the tractor trailer. Joe and Supat, Joe actually carried the wheel from here on the back of a motorbike to Nonsurat, which is a hike, and they're not small rimmed wheels. No use me videoing in there because it is way too dark. Big tractor, little tractor, cardboard box. Yeah, where's I'm doing it again. Where is our electricity actually come in? I don't know where our electricity comes in. Oh yeah, they do. There's the electricity for the house. Let me just 2 meters, yeah. Meter 1. Follow the cables up. Come from, no, come on, practice. Follow the cables up, follow the cables up, up. It's gone dark. Cable 1, that's the one. That's ours. The neighbours. And that's how the, I don't know if that is only in Thailand, but it's only in Thailand for me. I haven't seen it anywhere else. Yeah, so 25 minutes. God, sorry to go on so long. Hopefully I've kept it. Well, you've seen the sunrise. Not that the sun's actually out, because it's a little bit, not really, a little bit overcast. So yeah, There we go, brightens up when we go in. Baby tractor, Bell's tractor, my tractor. And yeah, let me see how we're getting on. The house is actually quite empty now because everyone's around the Young and Noi all the time. Oh, there we go, look. 3 in 1. Can't survive without me 3 in 1 every morning. I think I don't know if you noticed yesterday, but I think I was running really high and really fast on overcharging with coffee. And I think I'm going to be overcharged with coffee today as well. Because we haven't, I don't think we've slept more than I had 4 or 5 hour night sleep. Is where I get you up to that. Because I know the love of my life is cooking in the PJs for the monks. Oh, you're not cooking in your PJs? Okay, well, obviously you're in the... You mean to get changed, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you just stop getting changed and just give me 2 seconds about you cooking for the monks? Morning, Joe. Super.
Morning.
Good morning. Everyone's up. How's it? You haven't got to go into too much.
Yeah.
We're in English.
Yeah.
Right, this is for the monks, yeah?
Yeah.
And we do it. Do you do it every morning?
Every morning. Yeah.
Every morning.
Yeah.
And the monks come at what time?
พระมาบิณฑบาตกี่โมงใช่ไหม
1 โมง6 โมงกว่าเกือบ1 โมง
half 6 to 7 o'clock walk around
They
the
walk
village.
around. I've seen them driving around before.
Yeah.
1 โมงประมาณ1 โมงครึ่งนี่แหละ
So,
So we have to get it the very bottom one, yeah?
Yeah.
Because the new one.
on the bottom, yeah.
Yeah, bottom one.
ใส่บา
Yeah.
ทบ่
Open side up.
And
And the food, whatever food we got,
whatever food you got.
yeah. If we not got half, we have to go to the
Shop.
shop in the morning
Yeah.
to buy and you know.
Would you think we can video the monks one day, can't we?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're gonna do one day.
We will. We'll show you.
Yeah.
You've seen the cooking.
นี่นั่นแหละ
Yeah, see? That mean monks start to walk.
Can you hear the bell?
เอาน้องเซน
That means the monks are coming.
ไปเบิ่งไม่กินนะครับ
They do that at the temple, don't they?
พวกเป็นนมหรือว่า
อันแบบสเปกซื้อกับเขา
ต้องมีหนามดิคือว่ามีเขามี
You want to do today?
No, because this video now goes on for 30 minutes.
No, I'm talking about later when the monks are around.
No, we need empty phones because we haven't uploaded anything yet.
Oh, right, okay.
Right, but we will do it, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
See you later.
I know, because the monks are coming. See, you can make 3 in 1 in Thailand, and you can leave it for half an hour.
It's too hot.
Still off. Right then, so
Okay then.
what day are we on?
Day 3.
Day 3.
Yeah. See you
See you
later.
later.
Bye.
Goodbye. See you later. See.
See you
เซ
later.
นเลย
Hey!